Class we are focusing on the cations part. This is the first member of your zero group, that is your ammonium. Zero group contains ammonium cation. So you can see I have placed certain reagents. This is the Nessler reagent. This is the main reagent for your ammonium cation detection. NaOH has been there, and this is the salt I am taking, which will contain your ammonium cation. So again I am telling you, I am showing you the salt. Teacher will not let you know that which salt she is giving you. So this is the unknown portion to you, and you have to detect it this manner. Please use the test tube stand, and your test tube also you must have a spatula for taking out the chemical, and you can use the, if required, dropper. You must have a passing tube, which we have already seen in test of carbonate. So now let's focus on it. First of all, we'll take the salt in this test tube. Now you can see the test tube is containing the salt, and first of all we'll add NaOH to it. And after that we'll heat it. When you will heat, smell of ammonia will come. So you have seen I have put the salt, and then I have added NaOH to it, and after that we'll heat it with the help of the, we'll fold it with the help of the test tube holder, and we'll use the burner. Bunsen burner has been there, Bunsen burner. So when you will heat it, you will see that the flames of the fumes of especially ammonia gas will be elaborated out. Now class, we have just put the same manner the passing tube over here, and this particular test tube contains your salt and NaOH, and you can see that we will heat it, then only the smell of ammonia will come, ammonia gas will come out, and that ammonia gas will pass through the test tube that is containing your Nessler reagent. So you can see the test tube that has been there, and it contains the Nessler reagent. Now we'll pass the gas, we'll heat it, and you will see when you will heat, ammonia will come out, and it will change your Nessler reagent to reddish brown in color. It will take time, so reddish brown, it's been changed to reddish brown. So this is the confirmatory test for your ammonium cation. So this way you have to do your experiment. So you are seeing that how we are heating it up, and how the gas is passed, the ammonia gas is passed through this other test tube that was containing your Nessler reagent, and Nessler reagent change its color from colorless to reddish brown. This is the confirmatory test for an ammonium cation.